item number 24 and 20.
Yes.
Because item number 24 is filed prior to court order. And item number 27 is filed after the court order. The coordinate bench passed an order where the coordinate bench take a direction upon the recruiting authority that they ought to publish the marks. Because initially when the list was published, there was no such marks was published. Thereafter, in pursuance of court order, the mark was published. Thereafter, we came to know what anomalies and what illegalities they have done. And this is reflected to item number 27. So,
All right. No. Tell me then what you want.
Initially, if I just give an example. Initially, in the advertisement, in the EC category post, there was a vacancy of 1,447. And the breakup of vacancy is like that. 1,007 posts was for male EC category and 440 for female EC category. What they did, my lord, the number of shortlisted, this whole selection process is divided in two parts. One is written examination, 85 marks is written examination. Thereafter, PMT, PET. Thereafter, interview. Interview is 15 marks. So, after passing this written examination, they, according to the marks, allotted marks, and according to the allotted vacancy, they will call the candidates. Thereafter, they will appear in PMT as well as the PAT. Thereafter, they enter into the interview. What they did, my lord, there is no such provision to make an arbitrary cut-off. To put an arbitrary cut-off marks, what they did, kindly turn page number 279. That is, after this written examination, they only called 10 candidates. Whether there was a 1,007 posts, they only called 10 candidates in EC category. So rest of the seats, they converted in unreserved category.
See, the reservation issue is right.
Not a reservation issue, request of respect, that vacancy is a earmarked vacancy. When the vacancy is earmarked, by putting the arbitrary cut-off marks, they just want to convert this EC vacancy into unreserved vacancy. So which is not permissible under law. I can take that. So it is evident from their publication itself. There are a lot of vacant seats for EC category. So because of that, in this stage,
there has been a change right now. You never know that the selection process may be scrapped. Fresh selection can come up. You never know. Nobody knows what is going to happen.
Already interview was taken up.
Prior.
Interview was taken up. My instruction is that
26 was moved, same matter, my lord. The learned government pleader was pleased to, my lord, this is on record. Item number 26, same recruitment process. That it is, everything is complete.
Yes.
They have
appointment letter.
Only appointment letters have not been issued in view of the model code of conduct. The points in the petitions are same. They have converted, they have not filled up the horizontal, my lord, vacancies which is reserved for horizontal category of reservation. And my lord, in the affidavit, page 20, item number 26, they are on record now. In the affidavit, the stand that they have taken is totally arbitrary, and I can substantiate, my lord. Though, my lord, I understand, my lord, lordship is hesitant in view of the fact that the other side is not there.
Exactly.
But
nothing
as
else.
of today, the affidavit is there, and they have, well, in my humble submission, my lord, the how the horizontal vacancies will be calculated has not been adhered to in any of the recruitment process.
All right. Now the fresh set
yes,
of
there has been a
councils-
dispensation, but my lord,
councils can come up, they can revisit the issue, they can relook, they can scrape off the whole thing if it is
scrapping would be
illegal.
arbitrary. That will be like in respect of 2011 time, my lord. 2009, my lord, recruitment processes was initiated.
This one?
No. Other process. Change of government in 2011 also, this government came and said that no, I don't want to continue with the previous recruitment.
Yes.
In that cases, my lord, I had opportunity to have in several matters where it was, my lord, that was in state administrative tribunal, BSc recruitments for Group D, my lord. The honorable tribunal was pleased to note
not
Yes.
that mechanically they go and
No,
slap
that
it.
is what I'm saying. That this
is
exercise
that.
we have to go before your lordship.
Yes,
We have to do this exercise before your lordship.
right. No
Because
issues.
my contention would be that the entire process may not be scrapped. Only the calculation has to be done in accordance.
Whatever,
Yes.
that is on merits.
Yes, that is on merits. That is on merits. So my submission would be, if your lordship kindly, my lord, in these matters, kindly, my lord, directs that the with regard to, my lord, the process, my lord, the appointments are not given, and thereafter, or my lord, kindly, my lord, my lord, keeps the posts vacant, my lord.
May I suggest one thing, my lord? That should not harm, my lord, and it will be beneficial for the
Any steps taken?
because of that delayed appointment was not admitted. My lord, we are amount petition. In my petition, suppose in Muslim case, there is only 32 petitions. The post is 1007. That's a big number of posts. And most of the posts are active. So it will be kind enough, my lord, if they give appointment with this rider, kindly give the number of petitioners post second, my lord. If the appointment happens, consider our obviously we'll go into the bidding when the government.
See, I tell you, the number of candidates who appeared in the examination and number of candidates who filed writ petition, there may be a lot of difference. There may be several similarly situated candidates in respect of Muslim or this Shankar Kori or whatever. Right.
My instruction is that, although then I can't substantiate it, but the fact is that the number of posts which is remained and the number of applicants they filed the application
Is more.
is no less.
Less.
Yes, my lord.
Since it was less, they had converted those horizontal reservation posts into general category. Our contention is that while converting, prior to converting, my lord, they ought to have followed the process which has been laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court special bench, only for this.
Please come.
I'll be praying, my lord, these posts may be kept.
Nothing more, nothing more.
Writ petition
And my lord, in item number 26, it has been erroneously, my lord, on the last occasion.
relates to
My petition-
a recruitment in the. This is West Bengal Police.
Yes.
West
Constable.
Bengal Police
Constable post.
in the post of constable. Stop.
এরা তো বাইরে দাঁড়িয়ে।
The
Post of constable is also
comma 2024. Stop. The
লিগাল সার্ভিস তো বাইরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে।
petitioners are aggrieved by the manner in which the posts reserved for EC category has been de-reserved and made applicable in respect of the unreserved candidates. Stop. It has been submitted that horizontal reservation has not been followed. Stop. Prayer has been made to restrain the respondents from filling up all the vacant posts so that in the event the petitioners succeed in the writ petition, they can be provided appointment. Paragraph. None appears on behalf of the respondents. Stop. The court has been made aware in a similar writ petition that the entire process of the recruitment is over, but the appointment letter could not be issued in view of the model code of conduct which was prevailing in the state.
I can give the number also of that petition.
Stop.
Item
Next.
number 26.
Right now, the model code of conduct is no longer prevailing.
প্রথম অর্ডারটা
Stop. The petitioners apprehend that appointment letter may be issued in respect of the selected candidates. Stop. Paragraph.
ফার্স্ট অফ
The writ petition
bunch of
cannot be decided
bunch of order.
in the absence of the respondents. Stop.
Dictionary আছে।
Accordingly, hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned till 8th June 2026. Stop. Let notice be served in the office of the learned government pleader and the learned legal remembrancer. Stop. Paragraph. It is made clear that any appointment given in the subject recruitment process shall abide by the result of the writ petition. Same order in 25.
My lord, 24 is, my lord, about ex-service. I just given
Ex-serviceman.
Ex-serviceman is EC category. So category is different.
Different. All right. 25. What category?
OBC.
OBC B. OBC B.
Ex-serviceman category, 25, OBC B,
All right.
27.
One minute.
26 is that
One minute.
matter.
26 is your matter.
Yes, my lord, where the learned government pleader had appeared and said that the entire process is over.
Done.
That is in respect of, my lord, constables,
Constables.
NVF, National Volunteer Force,
আচ্ছা।
and Homeguards.
26 এ
26
যেখানে আগের নম্বরটাতে বললাম না, it has been in another writ petition, similar writ petition, এটা in this writ petition হবে।
26.
That the appointment, that the entire recruitment process is over and appointment letter could not be issued. ওইটা হবে। আর এটা হবে ক্যাটাগরি হচ্ছে what category you said? Constable, NVF.
National Volunteer Force, the
NVF.
first order, my lord. In
Yes, no, it is there. NVF.
NVF and Homeguard. National Volunteer
Homeguard.
Force and Homeguard.
And English.
All right.
National Volunteer Force and Homeguard.
27 is EC category. 28
20 meritorious post quota.
meritorious sports quota.
And my lord, in 26, my lord, this has gone down, my lord, kindly, my lord.
Same as
My lord, Mr. Shamim had mentioned the other matters.